Welcome to this tutorial on how to disable mentions on LinkedIn using your PC. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple process to control who can mention you in posts and comments. This feature is particularly useful if you want to maintain a more private presence on the platform. First, let's start by opening linkedin.com on your web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see a familiar interface with various options to navigate. To begin, click on the Me icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a comprehensive settings page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a list of categories. Click on Visibility to proceed. Now, scroll down to the Mentioned by Others section. Here, you'll find the option to control whether others can mention you in their posts and comments. By default, this feature is enabled, allowing anyone to tag you. However, if you prefer not to be mentioned, you can easily disable it. To do so, simply toggle the switch next to Allow others to mention you to the off position. Once you've made this change, others will no longer be able to mention you in their content. This is a straightforward way to maintain more control over your online presence and avoid unwanted notifications. Disabling mentions can be particularly useful if you're managing a professional brand or simply prefer a more private experience on LinkedIn. Remember, this setting only affects whether others can mention you. It doesn't impact your ability to mention others in your own posts. By following these steps, you can ensure that your LinkedIn experience aligns with your preferences for privacy and interaction. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.